Alright, hey guys, Alarm System Reviews here, and as you see in the title, new system test 1 is finally here. So I'm going to get right to it. And I got to go kind of fast because my phone is really low on space. So in my room, I have the Firelight MS5 UD as my brand new panel, and I seriously love this panel. I got it pretty cheap, and it only had like a few little damages on it. This just had to be bent a little bit, and that was pretty much it. Other than that, like the little pins that hold the door in kind of fell out, but other than that, everything works perfectly. And I have correct date and time, and just use the factory banner. And then you probably saw the Simplex 4251-20, and then i3 right above the panel, and then mess of wires. So I'll admit, guys, my wiring job isn't great, but it was my first time with actual fire alarm wire. I still have the spool right there. And then in my room, I have a system sensor P2R. You can see over there as well. And my other 4251-20 with the writing on it. So I'm kind of tributing this video to the Advanced series since they're discontinued with the make of the new L series. Out here, BG12 with the lock taken out, P2R. And then there's a single wire going over here to the other i3, and then a mess of wires over here, and there's one that splits off on its own in the kitchen. P2R, of course, and then BG12L, and my brand new RST151 key duct detector switch. And I'll show you what this is for in the next system test, because I'm actually waiting on a part to come that I'm gonna use the relay to hook up to, and you guys will see. And then in the kitchen, we have my Edwards heat detector, 194 degrees and fixed rate of rise, and it's actually really close to the stove, so I'll have to kind of watch out with this thing. But I mean, it's already mounted, and my dad said don't move it because the hole's already there, and I understand that, so it'll stay there and it should be alright. But if not, I'll replace it, and whatever. So also with this system, I wasn't expecting it this early, but I did get a ANN80 annunciator for my panel. And I'm actually really loving this because I like having remote annunciation. And even though this place is really small, it's not really needed, but I thought it was cool. And my parents like it because if the alarms go off, they can just go ahead and press silence. And I have the key disabled, like you can see, or I can use any button. I'll just reset it, for example, so that they can use this at any time, and they actually like it. So that's what that's for. So guys, I have to make a jump cut so I can get this video onto my computer, and then I'll start testing. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and start in my room with the 4251-20, and you will see how the zones are labeled. So here we go. So as you can see, hallways slash FACP room, and my dog is barking for some reason. There's people walking outside. Okay, so I have to do a reset so I can use this zone again. And I was gonna say I can't let the alarms go long because these are actually still very loud, even though I layered them with tape like crazy. Snowball! Stop! Hey! Okay, sorry about that, guys. Next one, here we go. So then there we go with that. Next we'll Hey! Next, we'll go ahead and do this. Hey! Stop! We'll go ahead and do this. So as you can see, this says pull station living room. This is both pulls in here. So I have to reset because I can't do a re-alarm on the same zone. So there we go. And then pull this. So as you see, strobes are in sync. I'm using sync mute to do 2-wire audible silence. And yeah, so let's go ahead and reset again. Oh, I forgot to reset the pull. Every fire alarm enthusiast does it. As soon as I can find my fire light key. There we go. Reset. Oops. Reset. So the only thing I'm gonna show you guys with this is I'm gonna let you guys listen, but you don't get to see what it says. Acknowledge and reset. So it is set up as you could almost it's I'll tell you guys this, it's set up as a hazard, but which one is the question. Alright, I have to make another cut so that we can go do the smoke detectors. Be right back, guys. Okay, now we're gonna test the smoke detectors, but today I'm not gonna do each individual one for a separate alarm. I got this Allen key. I'm just gonna go into programming, enter the maintenance level, and we're gonna do walk test and audible. So yeah, we're just doing this for the smoke detectors, but I will actually test the heat detector. So as you can see, it says zone 1 is bedrooms / living room smoke. And the reason why it says bedrooms is because there is an I3 in my parents' room, but it's not wired into the system yet. I'll probably do that at some point. And then zone 2 is the heat detector. And then you guys already know zone 3 is living room, zone 4 my room and the hallway there, and then zone 5 is the key switch. Okay, that's it for the i3s for now. Both working. So now, yep, that's it. We'll just do a reset. It's saving system config, but okay. Now let's go test the heat detector. And I'm gonna make a jump cut for this because I don't have the blow dryer in here, so be right back, guys. Alright, so now I'm back with the blow dryer, and let's get this going. That took forever. So as you can see, 2-wire detector, kitchen heat on zone 2. I think this blow dryer is like, oh, that's why. I had the heat setting like all the way down, and then I had to turn it up. All right, that's still warm, but it should be fine. it cools fast. Alright, system all normal. It didn't go back into alarm, so that's good. Okay guys, one last thing. I have PS Tools open, but just give me 1 second. Just there's private info here that you guys can't see. So yeah, there's my first and last name. We're gonna go ahead and connect to the panel. And for anybody who the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't think everyone knows that you can do this. And then we can do trouble silence and then restore the evacuate. And then it's back to normal. And as you guys know, it's just like pressing the drill button. It creates a trouble and puts evac in system. So alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and if my channel makes it to 100 excuse me, 100 subscribers, there will be a special video. And one more thing about this system. The reason I don't have any new pull stations yet is because I haven't found anything I want at a reasonable price, but I'm going to try to get some soon. So anyway, thank you everybody, thanks to all my subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.